Have you ever stopped to think about the words you use every single day? I mean, the really simple ones. It's kind of wild, but they're often the ones doing some serious heavy lifting in our language. So today, we're going to put one of those words right under the microscope, the word still. But before we dive into still, let's just back up a second and ask a bigger question. What actually makes a word essential? What are the absolute must-have building blocks we need to get our ideas across? Well, one of the most interesting answers comes down to this number right here, 850. And no, that's not just some random number. It's the exact number of words on a list called Basic English, a core set of words that a group of linguists back in the 1930s said were fundamental for clear communication anywhere in the world. So why are we talking about this list? Well, because our word of the day, still, is a member of this pretty exclusive club. It's not just another common word. It's considered a foundational piece of the English language. Yeah, according to the Simple English Wiktionary, which is our source for this, being on this list gives still a special kind of status. It's one of the key tools in the whole English toolbox. So what exactly makes it so important? Let's find out. Okay, so the power of still really comes from its incredible versatility. It plays two completely different roles. First up, let's look at its job as an adverb, which is all about describing time. The definition itself is just beautiful in its simplicity. Now, like in the past. That's it. Those 5 words perfectly capture this idea of continuity. The word acts like a bridge, connecting a state from the past right into the present moment. Take this example. It is still broken. So the oven was broken before, and guess what? That condition continues right up to now. That one little word, still, tells us that nothing has changed, packing a whole timeline of information into just 4 letters. But wait, because still has a totally different identity. When it's used as an adjective, it has absolutely nothing to do with time. Instead, it's all about describing motion, or more accurately, the complete lack of it. So we've just done a complete 180. We've gone from an idea about something continuing over time to an idea about something not moving in space. The definition is super direct, not moving, resting in one place. Think quiet, calm, motionless. Think about the command sit still when you are in school. This is all about being physically motionless, right? Now, compare that to the still broken oven. It's the exact same word, but the meanings are worlds apart. One is about a state over time, the other is about a physical state in one single moment. So let's bring this all together. What we're looking at here is a fantastic example of just how efficient language can be. We've got one small 4-letter word that's doing double duty, helping us talk about both time and motion. And you can see the 2 roles laid out perfectly, side by side here. As an adverb, still is about time and continuation. As an adjective, it's about motion and motionlessness, still broken versus sit still. It's this contrast that makes the word such a powerhouse. So, to wrap it all up, what's the big takeaway? Well, the word still totally earns its place as an essential word because of this incredible versatility. It's on that foundational 850 list for a reason. It efficiently handles 2 core concepts we need to talk about all the time: continuation and motionlessness. It's a simple but an incredibly powerful tool for communicating. So if a word as simple as still is this complex, it kind of makes you wonder, right? How many other everyday words are hiding these kinds of depths, playing multiple roles right under our noses? It's definitely something to think about.